Today we're going to demonstrate how to calibrate a few of the different appliances that we have, starting with this built-in wall oven. On this particular model, per the use and care guide, the calibration mode is found in the settings file, which is this wheel. So pushing the settings file, it gives you the options. On this one, you scroll up and find the calibration. Select calibration. It gives a brief description, basically telling you that you can go up 30 degrees or down 30 degrees based on your desired results. Select the oven, and you can see that it shows the 6 different options: plus 10, plus 20, plus 30, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30. So if your biscuits came out undercooked, you would calibrate up. If they were overcooked, you would calibrate down. So once you make your selection, hit the start button, and that will save it. And then you can just go back to the main screen. It's suggested that you would redo the biscuit test to ensure that selection that you have made gives you the desired results. On this particular model, per the use and care guide, the calibration mode is found by selecting the clock tools button. So as you scroll through the options, you get to calibrate. Then it directs you to calibrate, hit 6. The upper oven, this is a double oven model, we're going to do that. Select 1. You can select 3 to increase the temperature or 6 to decrease. So we selected 6, and it automatically goes to the 10 degree. You can continue to hit the 3 button to go up 30 degrees, or you can hit the 6 button to go down to negative 30 degrees, depending on the results of the biscuit test. And then once you've selected the desired option, you hit the start button, which saves your selection. Per the use and care guide for this particular slide-in range, the clock tool button is selected to get to the calibration. So you toggle through the options, get to temperature calibration. It tells you to press the start button to start the calibration. Then you can hit the 3 button to increase the temperature by 5 degrees up to 30 degrees, and you select the 6 to decrease the temperature. Once you have selected your desired temperature, press start and your changes are saved.